Mahashivaratri rituals at Sri Vishnupuri Charitable Trust, Palamaner, 15th February 2026, Sunday, 9:30 a.m. Amruta Pasupata Mrityunjaya Homam, Ayush Homam, Rudra Homam, 11:55 a.m. Panchamruta Rudrabhishekam for Nilakanta Mahadev Spatika Shivalingam, 6 a.m. First Prahar Puja Milk Abhishek, 6:30 a.m. Kuchipudi Dance Program, 9 p.m. Second Prahar Puja Curd Abhishek, 9:30 p.m. Deepalankarana Seva, 12 a.m. Panchamruta Rudrabhishekam, Lingodbhava time, 3 a.m. Abhishekam for Spatika Shivalingam, 6 a.m. Final Arati. All are invited. Om Namah Shivaya.